watching the Journeyman crypto channel, and I am James the Journeyman. Today I want to tell you about the latest coin that I'm adding to my portfolio, and you will notice I don't have my Binance account open. This is because Silo, and that is Sierra, Yankee, Lima, Oscar, isn't yet available on Binance. This project is relatively new, and with new projects come added risk, but also higher upside potential. Though when I say new, keep in mind the project started in 2017, so it does have history and staying power, which boosts my confidence. So today I bought Silo on my KuCoin account, transferring Bitcoin and then converting it to USDT, which right now is the only currency that you can buy Silo with on KuCoin. Alright, so Silo has a very modest 35 million market cap, and it's currently valued at 1 cent. It has tremendous potential. Silo is an entire decentralized network. It's a digital wallet that offers private messaging, video chat, audio calls, and the ability to instantly send crypto to friends. This app is available in both Apple and Android stores. Silo represents a strong move away from centralized platforms that invade your privacy, sell your information, practice censorship, punish you for expressing an opinion they don't like. Don't get me started on Facebook. All right, and so Silo also offers the opportunity to run nodes, and anyone can do this. Currently, I'm only invested in the coin for speculative goals, but those who are interested in running nodes, they have made the process very simple. So I'm going to go over very quickly the Silo roadmap here. Again, this is when it started, 2017. So just under 4 years old. So it's been around a while, and understand when you look at some of these projects that have really started taking off, that started out under a penny. Quite often they stayed that way for a long time, months and even years. And when you look at their charts, you'll see that for the longest time nothing happened. Then all of a sudden they caught fire. So whenever you're investing in a project like this. Right now, it's currently at a penny, but that's the hope. I mean, what if it went to $1? Just imagine. What if it went to $10? Okay, so Silo begins blockchain integration in 2018. Fully decentralized, incentivized communication and data exchange platform. 2019, so that's 2 years ago, Silo Smart Wallet released. Okay, and 50,000 users joined the Silo Smart Wallet. Okay, and then in last year they released the white papers, and the community is up to 100,000, which is very encouraging. So I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to this page so that you can go over this, because it's not just their roadmap, which is well defined. It tells how it works, the network, and you can also take a look at the white papers, and then how to run a node. And so that's I'll be honest with you guys, I haven't run any nodes in my life, okay? But I know that there's people out there that swear by it. If you can get good nodes running, then you can get a good steady passive income. So they offer this opportunity as well for you to look into. So let me go back to the home page. All right, and I also wanted to talk to you about Dogecoin and why I'm currently not invested in this very popular coin. So it's been in the news. It's entered into the top 10, sometimes the top 5 in trading volume and other categories too. So, but the simple answer is, I understand that there's a lot of animosity towards the coin. Certainly, people hate seeing another coin that they didn't invest in, take off and really explode in growth. While other projects that they invested in, that they investigated, that they did their homework on, and that they believe in have not done so yet. So that's Dogecoin. It is the cause of a lot of controversy. But the reason I'm not investing in it is because this coin is not for investing. It's a coin for trading, and I'm not trading right now. I have traded in the past. I've traded a lot of things. I've traded stocks. I've traded Forex. I've traded options. So I know how to trade, but I'm also a truck driver. And so trading is just not something I can do right now. But anyway, buying and holding inflationary assets like Doge, I believe, is foolish. You can't use this as a buy and hold asset. And what do I mean by inflationary? Well, each year 5 billion Doge is added to the total supply, and for the price to increase, demand has to outpace a supply that increases by 13.7 million every day. And if you calculate that out, that's 10,000 new coins every minute. So you have to have a demand that outpaces that in order for the price to go up. So it's amazing that it has happened, that clearly because the price has gone up. But that's not going to be sustainable, I don't believe. If you're a trader, I think Doge is a great asset with abundant volatility to make some great swing trades. There are some who are speculating that it will go up in value after Coinbase listed, which is going to happen soon. This does create a great opportunity to go long, but be careful. Half of all Doge coins are held by only a handful of wallets. So word to the wise. Understand how quickly the price can crash under those conditions. So. But Dogecoin is not investment material, in my opinion. This isn't investment advice, it's investment opinions. On top of being inflationary, it was never set up as a serious project with a defined use case. It solves no problems and creates no value beyond being a fast, easy method of payment. Its buyer base consists of inexperienced dilettantes driven by popular hype, not the least of which comes from Elon Musk. This, among other factors, makes it a prime candidate for 70% crashes, much like with Bitcoin. So that's not. I'm not bagging on Dogecoin. What I'm saying is the weakness isn't in the coin itself. The coin does what it does. It's a one-trick pony, and it does very well. There's nothing wrong with Doge, but the investor base. Think of GameStop and what happened with GameStop and how there was a huge, what ended up being a pump and dump. I know that they were taking it to the investors or to the institutions who were shorting it, and that was cool that they taught them a lesson. But when you have any asset that has most of its base, buyer base, is inexperienced traders. Well, what's going to happen is because they're inexperienced, at the slightest sign of trouble, they're going to get out. They're going to panic like spooked livestock. So that's another reason for me to stay away from Doge. So and Bitcoin was like this too. So this isn't just about Doge. Bitcoin, before, the major banks, before Goldman Sachs, before Tesla, PayPal, before all these corporations and banks started really taking it seriously in giving us stability, it had huge crashes, up to 70% in some cases. And it would regularly crash up to 50%. So, and that's because most of the investors in Bitcoin were, guess what? Inexperienced traders. So, that's another reason. So I'm not giving anyone financial advice. I'm just letting you know why I'm staying away from Doge in favor of great projects with long-term growth objectives. Okay, that's all for now. Talk to you next time. Thanks for watching.